Hello, math literacy students. My name is Dr. Miller, and I will be your math instructor for this fall of 2023 term. It's good to have all of you in class. We've got a fairly large class of about 25 students, which I like. A little bit about the course. This is an introductory course with an emphasis on real-world connections to mathematics and problem solving. We'll be covering a lot of different types of math in this class. And by the end of the course, we'll be getting into algebra, a great deal of different topics in algebra. So what you need for this class is you will need to get into the My Math Lab, and you should have received an email that tells you exactly how to get into My Math Lab so that you're enrolled in my class. You'll be doing all the homework and activities and the quizzes on My Math Lab, so it's important that you get enrolled in that. And you don't need to actually purchase a hard textbook, but you can if you want. And but it's optional, and that's a textbook that you'll see on the syllabus from Alney. Now, as far as calculators are concerned, you'll want to get yourself a scientific calculator. That'll be the best thing you could get, or a graphing calculator, one or the other. So you'll definitely want a calculator that you can use while you're completing the work. I won't read through all the student outcomes on the syllabus, but I'll let you kind of read through that on your own. When you look at a syllabus, this is a 16-week course, so it's throughout the entire fall semester, so it's divided into 16 weeks with 1 week for the final exam. So the last week's the final exam. And I've got the whole course outlined as far as what specific lessons we'll cover in the book, when you'll have a quiz, when you'll have an exam, and everything. And we'll stick pretty close to that throughout the duration of the course. I tend to stick pretty close to it. We won't deviate from that a whole lot. If towards the end, there's a possibility that I may make some adjustments. You'll see with the grading that that your grade is based on 3 exams. We got Cycle 1 exam, Cycle 2 exam, and the final exam, which will mostly cover Cycle 3, but we'll also cover review things from Cycle 1 and Cycle 2. So Exam 1 and Exam 2 are each worth 100 points. Then the final exam is worth 150 points. And then the other portion of your grade is going to come from the My Math Lab homework, which counts as 100 points. And then all the quizzes added up will count as 50 points. So that's a total of 500 total points available. And then the grading scale is based on the Kishwaukee Community College grading scale. 90 to 100 is an A, 80 to 89 is a B, and so forth. So that's how you're graded. The exams will be given traditionally paper pencil format. You'll get those as on the class website. They'll be posted, and typically they'll be posted on Wednesday, and they'll be due on Friday of the week of the final exam. So they'll be posted on Wednesday morning, due Friday by midnight, and you'll complete those with paper pencil, and then you'll scan it and turn it in. And that'll be how you'll do your 3 exams. The quizzes will be done on My Math Lab, and you'll see those quizzes posted, and then all the homework is done on My Math Lab as well. So you'll see that posted in My Math Lab. But the exams are going to be done off of My Math Lab. You'll do it the traditional way, and then you'll just have to take a picture of it or scan it and then turn it in on the class website. So the schedule, again, is in the syllabus. As far as attendance is concerned, this is an online class, so it's not mandatory to attend any class. I will have optional office hours twice a week, and I believe we'll do office hours on probably Tuesday and Thursday from 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock. And that's optional. If you want to come on in and you have any questions you want to ask, you're certainly welcome to do that, and I'll be more than happy to answer questions as well. Other than that, the best way to contact is me through email, and I'll generally respond back within 24 hours of when I get the email. So the My Math Lab work is considered homework. That will not necessarily be graded strictly based on the percent that you get on the program. I'm more interested, are you trying your best, are you completing the work? And you'll get the majority of the points for that. The exams are graded more strictly in terms of accuracy, showing your work, and things like that. I expect every student to be enrolled in the My Math Lab by the 3rd class, so by Wednesday of the 1st week, and then also to be signing into My Math Lab at least twice per week, and also to be signing into the class website at least twice per week as well. If a student is not doing that, there's a chance they may get dropped from the course. So make sure you're doing that and make sure you're constantly engaging with the class. As far as tips for success are concerned, mainly just stay caught up on what you're supposed to do. When at the beginning of each week on Monday, you'll get an email from me, and it'll also be posted in the class website what you're supposed to do for that week. I'll also be making videos for you guys as well to help you better understand the content. And those videos will be posted on YouTube, and I'll give you the link to that each week. So there'll be videos for you to watch, and then there'll be work for you to do in my math lab, and then there could potentially be a quiz or an exam as well, but that's listed in the schedule. So you'll get the introduction to each week email from me, and it'll be posted in the class website. So check that on Monday morning, and that'll be posted by 8 o'clock. Wish you the very best. If you have any questions, please contact me through email. Have a wonderful day.